Welcome, and my name is Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM card into the device. So before we get started, we will need the SIM eject tool. Now this thing comes provided in the box, so you can find it somewhere in there, along with all that useless paperwork. Now once you have it, all you want to do is pop out the tray that is located on the bottom right side of the device, so right over here where, there we go. You can see almost holding, but you have a tiny little hole there, so you want to push the tool in and the tray pops out. So from here you can just simply take that out like so. As you can see, you have space for two different SIM cards and no space for SD, so that's a shame, but whatever. Oops. Place the card on the tray so it's laying flush on it, as you can see right here, and then while holding it securely you want to just simply slide it back into the device. There we go, as you can see right now, and it should prompt me right now with the pin for the SIM card. There we go. So I'm gonna put that in quickly, and there we go. So that is how you would insert SIM card into the device. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.